So you are interested in Panasonic SD372S? No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 microwave ovens on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 microwave ovens, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Panasonic SD372S. If you're looking for a microwave oven without breaking the bank, Panasonic SD372S could well be the way to go. The smart, compact design of the Panasonic SD372S inverter power unit devotes less space to electronics and provides far more interior capacity. The 0.8 cubic foot capacity is ideal for accommodating breakfast foods, after-school snacks, dinnertime meals, and appetizers when entertaining. The smaller, more efficient energy and control units are also up to 8 pounds lighter than conventional microwave components. All of which adds up to more interior space, while taking up less space on a counter. That would be all for this video, and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.